Sun's shining, beautiful day. You might think there was nothing better when you're out with your mates and you come across a reservoir than jumping straight into that cool, refreshing water. Well, sadly, you'd be wrong, and you could be very dangerously wrong. Because you're jumping straight into a reservoir, you're going straight into cold water. You can get something called the cold shock response, even as high as 25 degrees and certainly down to 15 degrees, which you're going to have when you go into a reservoir. That means it immediately, literally, takes your breath away. That stops you from being able to breathe properly, and you automatically start to overbreathe or hyperventilate. That means that very sadly, some people can breathe in water because they can't stop themselves from being able to breathe in within seconds. And that means, of course, they can start to drown. Even if you survive that bit, and lots of people obviously do, but actually there are more dangers in store even within the first few minutes of being in cold water. Because the water is very cold on your skin, your body automatically diverts all the blood away from your skin, trying to keep your vital organs inside warm. The problem with that is, firstly, that it can put extra strain on your heart, and people can run into problems with abnormal heart rhythms, which can be severe, sometimes even fatal. But you also find that your muscles don't work properly. They get uncoordinated because they're not getting enough oxygen going to them. Even if you're a really strong swimmer, a very, very small current could be enough to get you into real trouble. It could also mean, of course, that if your mates do try and come and rescue you, you can't hold on to whatever they're throwing to you because your muscles can't coordinate. And that could mean that disaster could strike just when you think you're out of trouble. So it really is a no-brainer. Reservoirs are not there to swim in. They may look enticing, but it could literally be the last thing you do.